Welcome to Roswell Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
The 2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power driver's seat, traction control, anti-lock brakes, dual airbags, side airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, passenger airbag, driver airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.